Welcome to Aspirant Wisdom. Today we will discuss Public Administration MCQs. These are important MCQs for all types of competitive exams and job tests. In addition, these are also helpful for students of Bachelor and Master level. Let's get started. Public administration may be defined as management of industry, administrative capacity, management of property, administration of public. D is the correct option. The study of government decision-making, the analysis of policies themselves, the various inputs that have produced them, and the inputs necessary to produce alternative policies is called public administration, administration of authority, administrative capacity, property administration. A is the correct option. Public administration is aimed at earning profit solely, making laws, international management, implementation of laws and policies. D is the correct option. According to public administration, the main goal of government is to develop cities, welfare of people, to manage courts of the country. None of these. B is the correct option. Which of the following is the main focus of reforms in public administration? To reduce the cost, to enhance efficiency, to increase generalists, to change the traditions. B is the correct option. The mother discipline of public administration is anthropology, chemistry, business administration, political science. D is the correct option. Bureaucracy is a form of political organization, social organization, community organization, private organization. B is the correct option. Bureaucracy is based on traditional authority, personal authority, charismatic authority, corporate authority. A is the correct option. The founding father of theory of bureaucracy was Herman Finer, Palombra, Max Weber, Albert Lepawsky. C is the correct option. The transfer of resources and power to lower-level authorities which are largely or wholly independent of higher levels of government is termed as structure, devolution, hierarchy, departmentalization. B is the correct option. The author of the function of executive is F.W. Taylor, Chester Bernard, Mary Parker Follett, Henry Fayol. B is the correct option. Which of the following is not of the core values of public administration? Equity, efficiency, effectiveness, bureaucracy. D is the correct option. Which of the following is one of the features of bureaucracy conceived by Max Weber? Authority, hierarchy, publicness, civil society. B is the correct option. McGregor's name is most commonly associated with one of the following: Bureaucratic Theory, Scientific Management, Theory X and Theory Y, Human Relations. Option C is the correct answer. Legal rational authority is a core concept of public choice theory, theory of emergency, Maslow's theory of motivation, theory of bureaucracy. D is the correct option. Which one of the following is the foundation of modern human resources? Specialization, compensation, job analysis, job evaluation. A is the correct answer. Which of the following violates the principle of utility of command? Bureaucratic organization, functional organization, manufacturing organization, product organization. B is the correct answer. Which of the following is not a feature of good governance? Accountability, transparency, nepotism, rule of law. C is the correct answer. The concept of bounded rationality was given by Max Weber, F.W. Riggs, Herbert Simon, Abraham Maslow. C is the correct answer. Which of the following is the highest level need in the pyramid of Maslow's hierarchy of need? Safety need, basic need, self-belongingness need, self-actualization need. D is the correct option. Who had laid the initial structure of civil services in the subcontinent? British Parliament, East India Company, Atchison Commission, East India College. B is the correct option. Which of the following is the process of integrating activities? Planning, coordination, controlling, specialization. What do you think is the correct answer? Option B is the correct answer. The government borrowings accumulated over a long period of time is termed as public finance, public deficit, public debt, public grant. C is the correct answer. The agreement between the basic organizational philosophy and goals of employees is defined as commitment, competence, congruence, self-effectiveness. C is the correct answer. The main objective of performance evaluation is to provide authentic record civil servants, to provide information regarding promotion of civil servants, to determine interest, aptitude, and skill of civil servants, all of the above. D is the correct option. Which of the following are the approaches of decision-making? Decision tree, risk analysis, preference theory, all of the given options. D is the right answer. What is the assumption of Theory X of Douglas McGregor about human? Negative, positive, neutral, indifferent. A is the correct answer. The decisions made for ill-defined and unstructured situations are described as novel, non-programmed, structured, sudden. B is the correct answer. The systematic appraisal that occurs annually or semi-annually is termed as informal appraisal, formal appraisal, quasi appraisal, objective appraisal. B is the correct answer. What is a logical sequential process of setting goals and choosing on best goal? Organizing, planning, leading, coordinating. B is the correct answer. The return of information to the organization is termed as process, system, method, feedback. D is the correct answer. Which of the following tools are used for training need analysis? Job analysis, employee survey, performance appraisal, all of the given options. D is the correct answer. Which of the following functions are performed by the government? Provides defense, maintains currency, maintains foreign relations, all of the above. D is the correct answer. When the organization gives the high degree of authority to the top management only for the functions of organization, it's best described as delegation of authority, flatter organizational structure, centralization of management, decentralization of management. C is the correct option. Which of the following is the administrative head of the ministry? Advisor, minister, counselor, secretary. D is the correct answer. The managerial position in government sector is started from which of the following scale? BS 17, BS 18, BS 19, BS 20. A is the correct option. The Latin word ministere means to order, to suppress, to serve, to release. C is the correct answer. Which of the following organization is at the top of hierarchy in planning machinery? Planning Commission, Central Development Working Party, Economic National Council, Provincial Development Working Party. A is the correct option. Which of the following is the first step in human resource management? Selection, HR planning, recruitment, performance appraisal. C is the correct answer. A division is a private entity, autonomous body, ministry or part of ministry. None of these. C is the correct answer. When the supervisor communicates to his/her subordinates and directs him/her about the project, then this type of communication is termed as vertical communication, horizontal communication, lateral communication, diagonal communication. A is the correct answer. Who is the appointing authority of grade 17 to 19 in the civil services? Ministry, President, Head Office, Establishment. D is the correct answer. The in-depth study of technical, financial, and economic viability of a project is referred as project appraisal, project approval, project feasibility, project preparation. C is the correct answer. Behaviorism is associated with rationalism, communication, socialism, humanism. C is the correct option. In case of federation, the accounts of the country are presented to whom before presenting to assemblies? President, Auditor General, Prime Minister, Secretary of Finance. A is the correct answer. The book that provides instructions on the placement, promotion, transfer, discipline, and training of civil servants is named as ESTA Code, Establishment Code, Civil Servants Code, Compendium Code. A is the correct option. What is establishing standards and measuring performance against it? Rule, plan, strategy, control. D is the correct answer. What is a logical sequential process of setting goals and choosing on best goal? Leading, planning, coordinating. None of these. B is the correct option. The systematic and sequential process of making decisions and achieving objectives is best defined as rational decisions, limited decisions, bounded decisions, corporate decisions. A is the correct answer. Public finance deals with which of the following aspect of government? Social, human, political, financial. D is the correct answer. Establishment division is monitoring organization, financial institute of government, human resource organization of government, main recruitment government agency of government. C is the correct answer. The togetherness of members of groups is termed as team cohesiveness, potency effectiveness, task interdependence, outcome interdependence. A is the correct answer. The study of government was started in 11th century, 19th century, 25th century, 20th century. B is the correct answer. What is the development of pool of job candidates in accordance with Human Resource Plan? Selection, training, recruitment, HR planning. C is the correct answer. Who is the founder of District Administration System? Sher Shah Suri, Jalal-ud-din Akbar, Alauddin Khilji, Feroz Shah Tukhlaq. A is the correct answer. The process by which two parties interact to resolve conflict jointly is termed as authority, grapevine, negotiation, communication. C is the correct answer. Which of the following is not a part of Maslow's need hierarchy? Synergy, basic needs, belongingness, self-actualization. Option A is the correct answer. Transformational leaders are also called as trait leaders, managerial leaders, charismatic leaders, employee-related leaders. C is the correct answer. The combination of two or more people which has common objectives to achieve is described as team, panel, mob, society. A is the correct answer. Main pillars of government are executive, judiciary, legislature, all of these. D is the correct answer. That's all for today. Best of luck for your exams. Consider to subscribe if you were new here. Thank you for watching.